sister? No, I know Heal Pulse. I can do this. Oh my god, Sapphire. I was so worried about you. You could have been dead. If I didn't give you the TM Heal Pulse all those years ago, I would have died. Or at least you're alright. Sapphire? What did you just do?
Reveal that I'm gay.
It's like so funny that like you can't thaw out even though you're trying to, but like it's kind of tragic at the same time. Sorry if you're triggered by these ships. These are the ships I ship, I know. They're not really the usual thing that a evolution shipper would ship. So I'm sorry if any of this triggers you. It's just my opinion on these ships. I like them, and I'm not expecting everyone to like these ships either. On to the credits.
Into the thick of it! Into the thick of it! Ugh. We're